Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to reset Logitech MX Master 4 to factory settings. And let's begin! So, first of all, we need to have our application called Logi Options Plus. If you're not sure how to really install it and how to use it, you can always watch my install dedicated software video. Sorry for the chair creaking, by the way. Now you want to head into your device and then go into the settings right here. Now you want to basically scroll all the way down, and here we have restore to default, and in here we can restore the user device settings to their default. So let's simply click reset to the default settings, go into yes reset. We can hear a little bit of haptic feedback, and now it's done. So as you can see, it didn't really remove ourselves the mouse. If you want to remove the mouse, you can always do that by removing the device from your computer, and then you will have to reconnect to it once again. But at least for the application and, for example, for the custom settings here, this should be relatively done, at least hopefully. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.